Yo, what's good? It's Devin, and today we're making a air horn prank video. We scared a few people, and it was pretty lit. And shit was fire, so fucking watch it right now. Fucking peace. We stalking people all day. Oh yeah. I'm not even recording him. Alright, looks like she's gone. Nigga, get the fuck out of the way. Dude, I think she saw us. We're still gonna run it. Or just exit the car and hide. Nope. She fucking sees us, nigga. It's too late. Alright, it's time. It's doing something. Yo, it's Dev out here. We pranking people.
What?
We pranking people. Give him your intro. Or not.
Holy fucking shit! Can you make my work?
Can I have a sub?
No.
Okay. Well, you just heard that. Fucking, you got pranked. How do you feel?
Not good.
For your car.
I was not flirting with the old man.
I was
Get out, bro.
I was recording it all. It was a
You
prank.
want me to make a sub?
Yeah. No, I didn't record it. I was stalking you.
Because it scared the shit out of me.
You're so angry.
When did you see us?
Next video is me pranking some kid, but I didn't get a good angle. Or my
Next video is him beating somebody's ass.
me pranking a guy with an air horn, but that kid didn't get a good angle, so.
Yo, alright, I'm the best recorder, but like, bro, come on, bro. I had to end the video, bro. Come on. Are you insane?
Just 38 seconds. Alright, anyway, peace. Yo, welcome to Subway. Today we pranking niggas. The jacket. Damn!
That's called a prank here, nigga.
Yo. He went over it! Go fuck this pole, nigga.
Some of this is peak. Earlier was peak.
It was all just snow.
This side's good, though. Oh, we almost did it.
We almost did.
You heard it. Oh, right.
Just peek, nigga. Oh, nigga! Oh, my neck! Ah! I'm just gonna sue!
That was good though. That was good, but we know. Yo, the Labubu.
Gang!
Dude, that shit's dragging now. Dude, your exhaust is full of snow. Yeah.
Gang!
Your exhaust is full of snow.
Good night. I'm getting a thumbnail for this YouTube video. Cord. I was being too busy being the cameraman, bro.
Bro, how did we mac that hard?
Bro, that fucking exhaust. Look at that exhaust.
Dude, we maxed that.
Looks like my nose on New Year's Eve, bro.
Yo, where do we hit it?
hit it right here. Look at that. Fucking straight right here and just fucking BOOM!
Damn.
Yo, I think your exhaust is probably left a mark.
Right there.
Yep. Dude, we missed that. Your device is on the floor, bro.
My device? Oh shit.
You let it loose, broke. It was hanging out the door.
Imagine. Should we drifting with fucking ooh belt, free belt.
Dude,
My buddy